Let's learn phrasal verbs, idioms and slangs.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, quit on. Desistir de alguém em um momento específico. Abandonar alguém quando ele mais precisa. Encerrar uma atividade em determinada ocasião.
I never quit on faithful friends during difficult, challenging moments together. She refused quitting on her teammates despite overwhelming pressure from everyone. Good leaders never quit on committed workers facing temporary struggles together. They quit on us before finishing every important project successfully together. He never quit on his family despite endless financial difficulties everywhere. Real friends never quit on each other during painful, unexpected situations together. She quit on dancing after suffering repeated painful ankle injuries recently. He quit on exercising because constant overtime exhausted his daily motivation completely. They quit on volunteering after moving far from their favorite community center. Let's learn English idioms. The president is a lame duck in his last year of office. Her personality is larger than life and full of energy. Last but not least, we thank the local sponsors. The final argument was the last straw for our relationship. My uncle is a laugh a minute at family gatherings. The judge will lay down the law for the guilty party. The salesman is laying it on thick to make a sale. You need to lay your cards on the table during the negotiation. He tends to lead someone by the nose in business deals. Getting married is a leap of faith for many people. The detective will leave no stone unturned in the search.
Let's learn American slang.
The weather is breezy and perfect for a long walk. She gave a breezy presentation that impressed everyone. This job is easy money and I love doing it. He makes easy money by selling his artwork online. That exam was a cakewalk and I finished early. The interview was a cakewalk for her experience. This puzzle is a piece of cake for an expert. She said cooking that meal was a piece of cake. He nailed the interview and got the job offer. She nailed her performance and received a huge round of applause. He crushed the competition and won the championship. She crushed that workout and felt amazing afterwards. He killed the presentation and impressed everyone present. She killed her audition and got the leading role. He owned his mistake and apologized to the team.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel.